Hi guys, this is Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I'm doing another sneak peek from our new box of the month releasing on October 1st. So this is the first one that I made and we're going to put the second one together. So it turned out really cute. Love the gingerbread popping out of the mug. So I have all my pieces here. This is a Slimline card. So this is a mini Slimline card. It measures 6 by 3.5. So when you cut your paper, you're going to want to cut it at 7 by 6. Yep. So that's the card base, and then I have a Cat Scrappiness Wonky Stitch mini Slimline die here for my base. I'm going to add this green doily. And then my next piece is going to go right here, and the little cup is going to cover that up. So it looks like it's coming from behind the cup. So I'll let you know how big this one measures. This is from the die. So in case you don't have the die, you can just cut a piece out that measures the size. So we've got, so that's under an inch, and it's about 3 3/4 long and about 3/4 wide. So I'm going to pop up my image and then my cute little candy cane and gingerbread guy is going to go off to the side like that. So first I'm going to glue these two together so I know exactly what placement I want. Then I can just add my foam tape to the back here. I totally forgot I wanted to stamp the "'Tis the Season" or "Merry Christmas" on the mug. These little sentiments fit on the mug. So I'm just going to stamp a sentiment on the inside. Yeah, that would have looked cute right there, but I could put a sentiment here if I wanted to. I think that'll look cute, maybe on a little banner. Let's try that. Okay, so I think I want to put some Nouveau Crystal Glaze on the little cheeks. Maybe on the candy cane as well. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. My Nouveau Crystal Glaze comes out really fast, so I don't want to mess up my little cheeks. But I think I'll put it on the candy cane and then maybe on these berries. I'll do the berries right now, and I think that's going to look really cute. So I'm not even pressing the bottle and it's coming out. So that completes this card. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll have the link down below to the box of the month. If you want to subscribe to the box, make sure you're checking out and changing that frequency to monthly. And that will get you into the club. So you get your box every month, every 30 days, and it's automatically shipped to you. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.